Hello children. Today I'm going to tell a story of Appu. Every day he used to go for a morning walk with his grandfather. On the way he saw hills, mountain, sun, rain, houses, etc. He enjoyed walking in the rain. When he is walking ahead, he saw a boat is sailing in the lake and a duck is swimming in the water. Children, see the boat is sailing, but in this picture there is no water. Shall we draw water? Left to right. Like this you have to draw water. Left to right. Left to right. Left to right. Like this we are drawing water. See, now the boat is ready to sail. After a walk, Appu went back his home. Children, how did we draw water in the lake? Like this. This line is called sleeping line. How do we draw? Left to right like this. Left to right. This line is called sleeping line. How do we draw sleeping line? This is a straight line drawing horizontally from left to right like this. Very simple, isn't it? Now you have learned how to draw sleeping line. You have already learned how to draw standing line. How do you draw standing line? Like this. A straight line from up to down. Up to down. Up to down. This line is called standing line. Now you have learned sleeping line. Left to right. Left to right. This line is called sleeping line. Now we are going to make sleeping line with clay. Take a ball of clay, roll it, look at the shape, place this horizontally. How does it look like? It looks like a sleeping line. Okay? Sleeping line. There is another way in which you can make sleeping line. For that, you need a tray like this with some rice, rava or sand in it. Here I am taken rava. Okay? Now with your pointer finger, you can draw sleeping line like this. Okay? Left to right, like this. Sleeping line. Left to right, like this. Sleeping line. See children, how I am drawing sleeping line? Now we are going to do the worksheet. See, don't forget how to hold the crayon. Whenever you hold crayon with your three fingers, thumb, pointer finger and middle finger for support like this. You can see some dots here. Place the crayon on the dots and draw like this, left to right. Like this, left to right. Left to right. Left to right, like this. Make sure that you don't go outside the dots. Like this, you have to finish this worksheet. One more worksheet we have. Trace the dotted line to get each butterfly to reach the flower. Place it here. From left to right, join this dots. Left to right, join the dots. left to right. What we call for this line? Sleeping line. This is sleeping line. Okay? This is the way you have to finish the worksheet. I hope you all understood how to draw sleeping line. That's it all for today. See you next class. Bye.